Hey guys, welcome to the Discovery Time. This is Glow Technology, the leading researcher and manufacturer of glow-in-the-dark products. This is Samantha, and today we are trying to do some glow-in-the-dark road marking, and let's go and check. First, we need to clean the working area, make sure it's dust and water-free. Then stick the tape on the edge of the painting area. Now brush the ground with a layer of seal primer. Wait for its dry. Then brush or roller painting the white prime coat. Wait 24 hours for the white prime coat to get dried. Add glow paint, water, and hardener at the ratio of 100 to 10 to 8 and stir the mixture well. Then we can brush or roller painting the first layer of glow paint onto the white prime coat. Wait for 2 hours for the glow paint to dry. Paint the second glow paint layer by brush or roller. Wait until it's dry and it's ready to use. Please note that avoid summer noon construction.